Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. I do makeup and skincare on this channel. Today I am going to show you how I did this glamorous sparkly smoky eye using e.l.f. bite size palette in the variant Truffle. At first I am priming my lid using NYX Skin Tone Eyeshadow Primer. I am mainly focusing on my crease and outer corner. Please do not skip primer even if you are using some gel liner, otherwise blending becomes patchy. Next, I am picking up my LA Girl gel liner on an angled brush and applying it near my lash line. During this application, you do not need to be precise as we are going to smudge it anyway. I am smudging it using the same brush and I am not crossing my natural crease line which passes through the middle of my lid as I have semi-hooded eye. You can see how unevenly I am smudging it near my crease. That will help blending the black with the brown that I will use later. Next, I am straight moving towards my transition color. For that, I am using the lightest brown color from the e.l.f. Bite Size Palette Truffle. Using a fluffy blending brush, I am applying the color on my crease and winging it out towards my temple. This color will help blending other colors into my skin. And one more thing, though it looks quite cool toned in the pan, it transits to be warm toned brown. Next, on a fluffy yet small shader brush, I am picking up the dark brown color from the same palette and dusting off the excess. I am applying it lower on the crease and the blank part of my lid. I am reapplying and blending the brown shades quite a few times uh, until I am fully happy. And please take time while doing this step with the brown because this is the most vital step for blended and beautiful smoky eye. Once again I am blending the brown using my transition color. And I am repeating once again that take time in blending or else it will not look good for a smoky eye. Next, on a very small flat shredder brush, I am picking up the black eyeshadow and applying it below my natural crease where I have already applied the gel liner. I am applying it in a very messy way as I am going to blend it later. Even when I am applying the powder black eyeshadow, I am applying it unevenly so that when I am blending it, there will not be a striking demarcation between black and brown. You can clearly see that I am keeping the black eyeshadow below my natural crease line, otherwise it will be all over the place when I will try to blend it. Next, using a small blending brush, I am blending it out. At the beginning, the brush was clean and then I am picking up some mixture of the two browns used earlier and dusting off the excess. I am blending the black with that. Going over and over with the same colors will create a proper ombre and that will look really great. Next, I am using a fluffy brush to mesh all the colors together. I do not have any extra color on this fluffy brush. I am using it as it already is. When I am satisfied with the blending, I am taking up the Swiss Beauty Liquid Glitter in number 06. I am applying it with the help of a brush as I want a few specks of glitter here and there. For opaque application, you may use the wand directly on your lid. A sparkly smoky eye is really good for Indian outfits as well as party looks. Next, I am applying L'Oreal True Match Concealer on my under eyes and setting it using Fit Me Loose Powder. I am using Sugar Kohl pencil to tightline my lower and upper lash line. I am applying the kajal halfway through my lower lash line and smudging it using a very small blending brush. I am blending it out using the mixture of the browns I have used earlier. Next, I am applying gel liner near my upper lash line so that it becomes the darkest. I don't like sparkles near my lash line and it will also hide the lash bands. Next, I am highlighting my inner corner and my brow bone using the highlighter from Sugar Contour Deforce palette in the variant 02 Vivid Victory. I am curling my lashes and applying a coat of mascara before applying the falsies. Do not forget your lower lashes while applying mascara. So guys, this is my final look. Hope you like it, and if so, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye till my next video.